Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon TR4755i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink or how to install the ink cartridges. Open the ink access door. Once you open the ink access door, you need to wait for the ink holder to move and position itself to the center. To remove or replace the ink, you need to pull down the ink holder, this blue ink holder, pull it down, then remove particular ink cartridge, colored one, pull down the holder, then remove the black. If you want to replace the ink, you go in, the black color goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. So take the black ink, go in, and also make sure this contact part need to be inside. Then you go in, then pull it up, pull the holder up, do the same thing to the color. Go in, pull the holder up, then close the cover. Then you wait. The light will go off and it will show you processing and show you copy 100% A4. So this is how to replace the ink cartridges. This printer is Canon TR4755i. Thank you very much indeed.